Today, Jews around the world are celebrating the holiday of Rosh Hashanah, also known as the Jewish New Year. And unlike the grand celebrations that many of us are used to on New Year's Eve, this is a time of repentance, when families gather around the table for traditional foods, like the one we're making today. It's an old world casserole called simmis that brings together the fruit of the harvest. This is one of the dishes that my mom was always in charge of making. And this year, with her no longer with us, it's my honor to share it with you in her memory. We start by combining a couple cans of sweet potatoes that we've drained, along with some carrots and a can of chunked pineapple. Then we add in pitted dried plums, a bit of OJ, a generous amount of honey, some melted butter, and a little salt. After this gets mixed, it gets baked off until it's heated through. I know, this might sound like an odd combo, but let me tell you, this dish goes perfectly with everything from brisket to roast chicken. It's sweet, comforting, and brimming with tender loving care, just like my mom. To get the recipe for simmis, which we call Old-World Harvest Casserole, simply visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found Mom's memorable way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."